It was good. Now that we're done with chemical kinetics, we're going to be moving on to chemical equilibrium, focused on equilibrium constant and concentration, things like that. So we're going to use ice tables today. I'm trying to go through these rather quickly. I don't think I'm going to finish all of these today, but it's all good. So 3,000. Okay, first step is I don't have my calculator, bro. Okay, I guess we're just using our phone. I'm not trying to go get my calculator now. Okay, so first let's just set up the ice table. CO plus Cl2, COCl2. But I got my final on Wednesday. I had my econ today. I have OChem on Tuesday, and I have English on Monday, bro. This is cooked. So we need to find the equilibrium, yeah? So that's easy. Okay, so we need to find each one. So it's going to be equal to 0.35 divided by 3.050, which is equal to 0.115 moles per liter. And then, bro, these brackets are so ugly. COCl2 3.050 is equal to 0.018. Okay, so we need to find how many moles of Cl2 will be at equilibrium. Okay, so this is going to be the question mark. So yeah, I guess we'll just put these values in. So CO is 0.115, COCl2 is 0.018. Okay, so we need to find the value of Cl2. No, I don't know. Will this react? Oh wait, we have to make sure this reaction is going forward or backwards. Wait, but how do we do that if we don't know Cl2? Maybe it's just 0. Yeah, probably just 0 then, if they don't say it. So now if we have 0 moles, that means the reaction has to occur in reverse. Huh? Yeah. What? That's weird. Okay, so the reaction needs to happen in reverse because we have 0 reactant, so we need to balance that out. Interesting. So this is going to be minus x, this is going to be plus x, so it's 0.115 plus x, 0.018 minus x. So now we need to do the K expression, so products over reactants. Okay, what I'm doing right now might not look right, but trust I know what I'm doing. Even though the reaction is going in backwards, I don't want to do the reciprocal of K because that's a lot of work, so I'll just keep it as it is. This should be able to work. Okay, this would just be the same if I found the reciprocal of K and then set it up to K expression like as if these were the products. But right now I'm setting these up as if these are the reactants, like in this order of the like first equation. So that's kind of what I'm doing. So, oh wait, I see an issue now. Can we make the small k assumption? Interesting. Maybe we do have to do that then, bruv. Okay, yeah, maybe I was being dumb then. I don't understand why. Yeah, maybe it's just a safer way to do that then. Products, bro. I guess I did not know what I was doing. Okay, so this is going to be 10 to the negative 3. That's going to be small k. So we could make the assumption that 0.115 plus x, 0.115, 0.018 minus x. 0.018. Nope. Okay, so if you probably sub these in, I don't have my calculator on me, but K should be equal to, X should be equal to 0.000131 moles per liter. Now, we need to find Cl2, so that's going to be equal to concentration of Cl2. So then if we need to find moles per liter, Cl2 moles per liter, then what is it, 3.05? 2, 0.000131 moles per liter multiplied by check approximations. How do you even do this, bro? Somebody come get her. Ah, yes. Check. What is it equal? 0.11%. Okay, bet. There you go, this is the answer. Problem's not, I'm just going to speed on these, but I'm not going to talk. Somebody go get her. Huh? Okay, bets. Okay, what's the reaction? Okay, equals question mark. ATM. %. By 29%. Oh yeah, I messed up. I messed up a lot. I forgot to bring the coefficient down. Damn, this is low-key cooked, okay. There you go. Boom. Okay, my bad, I just zoned out, bro. Okay, next question. We're trying to do this fast, bro. Manipulate what? Consider this. These reactions. Calculate K for the reaction. Somebody come get her. Yo, Loki, we might be able to finish the entire thing today, bro. If I just stay in the zone and like get these questions done with quickly, bro. There's also these other questions that I want to do today as well, but I won't do those ones on recording. Consider the following reactions. We need 2 and 0. Bro, so we have to do these flipping shits. Well, okay, I'll be back. Okay, back. Well, this is so unserious, bro. Oh my god. Okay. How do we do this again? Okay, so we have to flip 2. And then multiply by 2 as well. But if I have my calculator, it would be so much easier, bro. Where even is it? Oh, it's downstairs, bro. I'm not trying to go all the way down. Oh, it's not 2 times, bro. It's to the power of, see, this is what I'm cooked at, bro. 1.32. Bro, let me just, okay, wait, we'll call this reaction 3. Okay, wait, bro, I'm looking all over the place. I think it's just kind of trying to go too fast. 1.32 times 10 to the negative 2 to the power of negative 2. Because when we're flipping it, flip and times by 2, so therefore it'll be to the power of negative 2. Okay, so we got 2 and 0 on that side. We have to flip 1, I guess. Yeah. Okay, boom. So now if we get these, let's just make sure getting O2. Okay, there you go. So that's right. Now we have to find the overall K. We have to just add these two. Yeah. Or multiply. What? Oh. Yeah, I guess so. But I don't remember that. Okay, so it's going to be to 1.32 times 10 to the negative 2 to the power of negative 2 multiplied by 8.14 times 10 to the negative 10 to the negative 1. Probably should get something like 7.05 times 10 to the 12. Let me make sure. So this is going to be power of 10. This is going to be power of... Wait, that don't make sense, bro. Maybe it's because we're multiplying the decimals. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably. And that's probably going to be right. hopefully. I don't really know, bro. That should be right though. Okay, what I gotta remember: multiply when you're adding, and put the power of when you're multiplying it. Yeah, that's easy. Okay, starting with. Okay, maybe we're not gonna finish all this today, bro. Damn, this is so cooked, bro. I think I'm gonna finish this last question and then. Is there a large K? Yeah, there's a large K. So, okay, I'm gonna leave 9 and 10. Probably just do 7 and 8 today. Brother. This is literally like the exact same question, but I guess more reps is better. I gotta do this like quickly then. Yo, people said that the final was like a time crunch, so I gotta make sure I'm like speedy with these. And it says that unit 2 is also heavy focus, so yeah, okay, what will be the total pressure? Well, I'll just write down the equation. Somebody come get her. Damn, bro, I'm really be writing these like I'm writing mad minutes, bro. Starting with SO3 at 1 ATM. 1.0 0 0. Reaction goes to the right because we have no products, so this is going to be minus 2x plus 2x plus x 1 minus 2x 2x x k equals 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5 equal to the products over the reactants k is small, therefore make the approximations that the reaction is not even happening, so 1 minus 2x is just going to be equal to 1, so therefore k, well that's not right there, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. This is right. I wish but I'm not going all the way down to get my calculator right now. I'm just gonna look at the answer key and see if these if my work so far is right. 4x squared, yes, 4x cubed is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5. Yeah, okay, x is equal to 0.0159. Okay, so now the p total will just be all of these added up. Oh wait, first we gotta make the check approximations. 0.0159 ATM. I didn't put units in my last one, that's my bad. Divided by 1 is equal to multiplied by 100. Less than 5%. We're all good. Okay, check approximation. So now we gotta. Okay. Well, technically, even if we don't use a calculator, we could still figure this out because this and this cancel out. So this will be 1.016 ATM. Yes, sir, that matches. Okay, this is gonna be the last question. Bruv. Okay, I'll finish the last two tomorrow. I lost it. Where is it? Hello? Did it go away? Calculate the equilibrium constant. Okay, this is basically the exact same question, but we're doing it backwards now. Basically, okay, so let's just do this now. 3H2 plus P2. Okay, K equals question mark. Okay. What? Oh, okay. Okay, it's gonna be ATM. Zero. Okay. So it's gonna be forward. Whoa, that glitch. Boom. Now we have to solve for x. Okay, 1 minus 3x plus 1 minus x plus 2x equals 1.91. But I can't even read my... Okay, negative 2x plus 2 is equal to 1.91. Wait, what? What work is that? Well, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. What? How did they get that number? Oh, wait, no, that's what other you have. Okay, this is equal to 0.045 ATM. Okay, so we found out that x is equal to that. Now k is going to be equal to products over reactants. So 2 times 0.045 squared. Bro, I was emceeing for this event, and the person who was organizing, they want me to talk like, good afternoon. Today, we are celebrating, like, bro. I'm not like that, bro. I don't got that, bro. I don't got that. Okay, wait, this should be brackets. Welcome, esteemed guests. Like, bro, I'm not talking like that, bro. Okay, 1 minus 3 times 0.045 cubed. 1 minus 0.045. But I'm just going to assume that I got this right, bro. Because everything looks like it's matching up, yeah? Yeah. Everything looks like it's matching up. Okay, answer should be 0.013. We're done. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.